We're back with breaking updates now coming in. The battle for Tamil Nadu heats up after meeting the Home Minister Amit Shah. Big statement being made by the AIADMK General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, who says that there is no place for OPS and Shashikala in the party, saying in such internal party matters there will be no interference. Dharani is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Dharani, the NDA is trying to expand, bringing in smaller factions as well, and this effort has been made time and again. But this statement from EPS clearly indicates that the doors are completely shut for OPS and Shashikala.
Well, definitely. Just yesterday, we saw the Patali Makkal Katchi under Anbumani Ramadas joining the NDA fold. And following that, very soon, Edappadi Palaniswamy flew to Delhi and he had a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah last night. So, after the meeting, today morning, Edappadi Palaniswamy has met the media. So, when the media asked about the possibility of TTP Dinakaran's AMMK joining NDA, Edappadi Palaniswamy is not denying this possibility. He says that we are in talks with a few parties, and as time passes by, some parties will join us. We cannot name these parties directly, out in open. We cannot, dive deep into the details of our alliance talks in media, is what Edappadi Palaniswamy says. But one crux of the matter here is that he is not denying the possibility of TTP Dinakaran's Amma Makkal Munnetra Kalagam joining the NDA fold. So that possibility is not being denied by Edappadi Palaniswamy. On the other hand, when another question was posed about whether OPS and VK Shashikala will be allowed to join ADMK back, whether they will be inducted into ADMK, Edappadi Palaniswamy clearly said no. He said that they are traitors and they have absolutely no place in ADMK. They can never dream of becoming a part of ADMK. OPS and Shashikala can never be part of ADMK political party, is what Edappadi Palaniswamy has told. So he has not said NDA, he said ADMK. So even if OPS and Shashikala, they are not becoming a part of ADMK, they might still be part of the NDA alliance. That is still a possibility.
We have some interesting breaking updates now coming in, because sources are telling Times now that TTV Dinakaran's AMMK is in talks with Vijay's TVK. Sources suggesting that OPS is also closely monitoring these developments related to the TVK. It looks like the TVK is more sought after, Dharani. We are told that TTV Dinakaran's AMMK is also in talks with Vijay. What are the details?
Well, definitely that is what sources are clearly indicating us. TTV Dinakaran's Amma Makkal Munnetra Kalagam, they are in talks with Vijay's Tamalaga Vetri Kalagam, and in fact OPS is also keeping a close watch of all the developments related to TVK. So both of them, they are keen towards TVK, is what we can understand. TTV Dinakaran has his own political party, that is the Amma Makkal Munnetra Kalagam. On the other hand, OPS doesn't have any political party to his name. He is right now an individual entity. He doesn't belong to any political party after getting expelled from ADMK, but still he can be part of an alliance by himself, and he can contest in a couple of seats. He can make one or two of his supporters stand in the particular alliance he's part of, is what one can understand. So both of these people, that is TTV Dinakaran and OPS, they are in talks with second level leaders of Vijay's TVK, and they are also keeping a close watch of all the developments related to TVK. So as you rightly said, it looks like TVK is the most sought after political party in this election season.
There's a lot happening in Tamil Nadu. Things changing every hour. Dharani, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, viewers, you can get all the updates in our South show at 1:30 p.m. where we get for you a roundup of all of these developments as well. That's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Quick break now. We'll be right back.